Hello, welcome to FIFA Ultimate Team Part 2.
Second half coming up now, and it's as good as the first half. We'll be very pleased.
Part 2, sorry. Right now 0-0 because I chose a good defending team, and I'm not.
The defense could be exposed here. They've got to be careful.
Let's start goals, and then all my submarines except my goalkeeper.
And it's Del Piero.
Satari, and then I have Buffon, sorry. So that must help, but not really, because it really counts on his defenders.
Slid in brilliantly.
Ooh, that was a free kick.
Nice back heel then.
He's injured. Ooh, I need it.
Slid in and came away with the ball. Del Piero. He's going to shoot, and such quality in the build-up, and a brilliant finish, a wonderful goal. Save after save after save. It's a bit of a surprise when a shot gets past him.
It is. He's been quite brilliant today.
Substitution coming up as they look to make sure they hold their lead till the final whistle. Well, they kick off having conceded the first goal of this match, which has come in the second half. Trochowski.
Not very fun.
Now, Del Piero. Here he is with a chance. It's come back off the post.
See, that's fun. Good, 1%. Maybe.
Negredo. Tackling is an art, and he's certainly a master of the art. Canute. He's in. He drives for goal, and here it is. Oh, what a chance to get themselves back into the game. That could haunt him.
Well, to miss a chance so glaring in a match is bad enough, but in these circumstances, it's a shocker.
Well, time is ticking away. It's time for a change, and here it comes. They were on the ball, and now they've lost it.
Sorry, that was just my favorite.
That's a great interception. He came across absolutely determined to get that ball. Canute. Oh, that's a good clean tackle to stop the attack. Trochowski. Brilliant technique in the tackle. Diego Perotti. That's a great slide tackle. The ball's gone back to Sevilla. Escude. Ivan Rakitic. Good ball. Great opportunity. Penalty. Sevilla's got a penalty kick here.
What? That was on the line.
This is a key moment for the manager. He knows he's got the lead. He's now going to do his best to try and retain that.
See if anybody. If I could. Oh.
Sensational save.
Oh, that's really important
Is
stuff
this
there.
Jay? The only
Sevilla
one
are
I
given the
know.
corner.
The only one I know. Keep works is God. That's always one. And I saved it.
Good header, and the goalkeeper well placed
I played
to deal with the header.
Yeah, that was as easy as you like for him.
Sevilla now
One
with
or two times.
regained possession here. Now here's a chance for a counter-attack. Can they make anything of it? Brilliant opening. Well, the final shot off target, it was a great break.
Isn't it just the way that they moved the ball forward with such speed, penetration, just couldn't apply the finishing touch.
84 minutes gone, 6 minutes to go. Oh, it's a great chance. Great chance. Well, he has a go. Oh, this is great goalkeeping.
But what a bonus for a team to have a keeper in this kind of form. Does look a determined lad, doesn't he? He's not going to be beaten. That's the way it looks anyway.
Substitution now. And might use up a bit of time here as well for the team that want to hang on to this lead. Tries the volley. There was a chance to really put his foot through the ball, Alan, and he didn't manage it.
No, from that distance.
It's a certain goal. We've got a really great goalkeeper here. Absolutely on top of his game.
He is. He's a brave soul as well. And he's had to show it once or twice.
Oh,
The crowd love
the
this.
goalkeeper.
A goalkeeper coming up for a corner. Corner into a decent area, but nothing quite happening. Now they're passing the ball well. It really was an opportunity to get a goal here until the defender came in.
Oh, it's back.
That is now a goal kick.
Oh, it's good.
Negredo. For an interception, that's quite a vital one. Excellent reading of the game by the defender. Could have been dangerous then. Well played the goalkeeper. He's kept his team in it.
Yeah, he kept on his toes as well. Really good stop.
It looks as though they want to take this corner and get another goal. It would be an insurance goal for them. They're already leading by one, of course.
I want to send up the goalkeeper for this time. For
Great tackle. Uh-oh.
Just
1-0 the final score as the referee brings an end to the
Please
game.
comment and
The side we expected to win have been given a huge shock here. Very unpleasant game for them. But the underdogs, no wonder they're dancing around the touchline in celebration. It's an amazing victory.
It is, and give them credit. They took their chances when they came their way. And
thank you for
the
watching.
defence, I thought, was spectacular today.